my name is Gala from Galainthekitchen.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you old-fashioned way how to make candle with 2 ingredients. We need orange, olive oil, spoon and knife. Cut the orange around and make sure you don't cut the center core, because will be our candle wick. Orange segments easier remove with spoon. I'm using martini glass as a candle holder. Now I fill my orange peel with olive oil. Very important step, wet with oil the wick. To light up my orange candle maybe takes longer than factory-made candle, but when it starts up, it works great. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please subscribe so you don't miss my new videos.